with another tutorial for ConvertKit. I am an email marketing expert. Before I did email marketing, I used to work in healthcare and had a blog, and now I run an email marketing agency. I do these tutorials because I care about all of you and I want you to learn how to use ConvertKit for your business or project. So today we're going to be learning how to create a rule using ConvertKit. So what is a rule? To actually make emails automated, you have to create a rule in ConvertKit. So for your emails to be sent on their own and sent over a period of time, for them to act as like an autoresponder, you need to create a rule. So rules can be a little intimidating. I totally understand that. But here's exactly how you need to think about it. Think about rules like if this happens, then that happens. So if this action happens, then this action will happen. So here I am in the rules tab. When I logged into my account, I went to automate and then I clicked rules and I landed on this page. So it's pretty clear here. It says trigger when this event happens. So when any one of these events happen, this action will happen. Do this. So for example, when this event happens and it says a user subscribes to a form. So let's say somebody subscribes to your landing page form. Let's select that. And here we're going to select one of the forms that they could subscribe to. So let's say 3 emails, your email funnel is missing. So that's the actual form or landing page I created before in ConvertKit. And anytime somebody subscribes to this form, they would then subscribe to a sequence. So on the right hand side, I'm going to select subscribe to a sequence. And now I can select the sequence that I want. And here I'm going to select 3 types of emails your funnel is missing. So anytime somebody subscribes to this landing page, they would then be sent to this sequence. And once I click save rule, that automation is saved, right? Let's create another rule so you have another option or another example. So click new rule. I click that big red button. Okay, when this happens, when somebody clicks a link, so let's say for example, somebody clicks a link in your email, etc. Here we're going to say testing link. So we're going to name the link and it's going to say testing link, the wrong thing. Destination URL, I'm going to put CK. So that's just a link that I randomly selected. Anytime somebody clicks this link, right, they would then be added to a tag. So let's say we're just going to select this tag, one-on-one coaching interested. So let's say we're sending out a broadcast and people click a certain link or they click this link from one of our trigger links, right? They're going to be added to this tag. And once you click save rule, that rule is saved. So try them out, test it out, leave a comment below. If you have a question, let me know. I'll be happy to answer. This is something that I use all the time in ConvertKit, and I've tried many different combinations. So test it out. Don't just look at what I'm doing. Try it. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. I am here to help you all. If you ever have a question, you can email me or find me on Twitter. If you find me on Twitter, I will respond on Twitter real time. Thank you and have fun creating ConvertKit rules.